What I have here is a Antares typewriter whose ribbon is not backing off properly. See, it's not moving downward as it should be. It stays upright. See, you need to push it down so that you can see what you're typing. Okay, this is need to fix this one. Okay, what was happening when this tray of the ribbon is not moving right where it should be after pressing the buttons of the letters. See, observe that there was missing spring, return spring for that ribbon holder. See, I managed to look for this one is a rubber made use for dentistry purposes. What I'm going to do is put this rubber in that slot as a replacement for the spring. So as you can see, it is now loaded with rubber, and let's observe the motion of the ribbon. Now moving up and down. See? Just please the typewriter is now the typewriter is now working. Thank you very much.